Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel Genius Official. So today we discuss about the topic, the conversion of number system. So let's see the topic. Okay, firstly we can determine what is the mode. So we can identify the mode button. This is the mode button and tap it. Sorry, one calculator. Then tap it. Firstly, one tap you can see compound and complex. Then second time taps we can see 3 base. This is the base mode for conversion different types of number. So we can tap 3. Okay, it is transferred to number system. Okay. Now this is the button DEC. It is used for decimal, and HEX it is used for hexadecimal, and BIN it is used for binary, and OCT it is used for octal. Okay, we can see some example. We can see it. This is 18. This base is 10. Indicate decimal number. It converted into base 8. That's why octal number. Okay. Firstly, we can determine it. We can enter the input. Okay. This is D for decimal. Indicate decimal mode. Okay. Enter the input. 18 1 8 1 8 and tap equal button. This is the decimal number 18. It converted into octal. So then now you can tap OCT for octal. This is the octal value 22. This is the octal value of 18 in decimal. Okay, now we can see another example. This is, you can see it. This is 416 decimal number. It converted into 16. That's why hexadecimal. It's called hexadecimal number. Okay, we transferred into the hexadecimal number. So we can firstly we can tap decimal button, and this is the input. Our input is 416 equal 416 is decimal, and it converted into hexadecimal. That's why we can tap HEX for hexadecimal. This is tap, and this is the value 4A0, A for 9 and 0. Now you can see another example. This is 45 is base 8, so it is indication octal number. It will be converted into a decimal number. So first we can determine it octal mode. OCT tap octal, and 45 input is 45. We can tap enter 45. Then equal. It is octal mode in 45. Okay, 45. Then it will be converted into decimal number. So decimal. Where is the decimal button? This is the decimal button. You can tap in, and this is the decimal value 37. This is the exact answer. Okay. Now we can see another example. Suppose. Now you can see another example. This is 45. It converted with binary number. Okay, 45 binary for B. Tap BIN for binary. This is the binary value 100101. So this is the procedure which was converted a different type of number. We can any different type of number converting it. So this procedure is help us to participate to perform in the exam hall MCQ question easily. This is the procedure. Any type of number we can converting it easily with calculators. Okay, and thanks everybody for listening me. Assalamu alaikum.